Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to disable the Windows Developer Mode features in your Windows 10 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So first thing you want to do is just left click on the start button one time to open up the start menu search, and you want to type in settings. Alternatively, you could also left click on the little gear icon on the left side where if you hover over it, it says settings. And you just want to open it up. So either left click on the little gear icon or type in settings into the search bar. Now you want to go and left click on the apps tile. And now left click on apps and features on the left side. Left click underneath apps and features over here on the right pane where it says manage optional features. So left click on that one time. Now you want to scroll down on this page until you get to Windows Developer Mode. Now you want to locate Windows Developer Mode on this list here, and you just would left click on it and then left click on uninstall. So again, just look for Windows Developer Mode, left click on it one time, and then just left click on uninstall, and it should be pretty straightforward. I don't have it in my case here because I don't actually have it installed, but like for example, if I have Windows Media Player, I just left click on the install button right here. Once you've selected it and you pretty much be good to go, restart your computer. Again, you'd want to do it for the one that says Windows Developer Mode. So pretty straightforward tutorial today, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.